Hello viewers, I am Rajkumar Soni, retired from the Indian Navy. I welcome you all in my channel Military Academy. Viewers, we were waiting for the Air Force exam, that is STAR 01 of 20, for the long time, and the update was about to come in the last week of June 2020. So this is last week of June 20 and we have some update. Presently the website is not getting open of the Air Force, so one of my candidates just sent me one message, sir, we have got some update. So as per the latest notice, what it says, everything is same, only the one simple information they have given, that fresh dates will be intimated in the second week of July 20, and rest everything is same like that. In view of the extraordinary situation prevailing in the country due to COVID-19 pandemic causing serious disruption, STAR 01 of 20E Pariksha scheduled in March 20 was postponed. We all know that this exam was about to happen in March 20, but now it was postponed. And initially we got second week of June, then at last we got last week of June. Now we have one more update that fresh dates will be intimated in the second week of July. And I would like to add here that we are also waiting for the PFT and medical date of Navy SSR and apprentice and AMR exam. So one of my same candidate, he is very proactive. His name is Sunny. He just gave a call to one Navy helpline number and pressed 7. You can search the number from the website itself. I tried myself calling, but when someone picked up the phone, then they were saying, sir, we don't have the exact update and you can go through the website. So what my candidate told me, sir, the call I called and I pressed 7 and I got a message from their side that admit card for the PFT and medical will be uploaded, or you can say it will be mailed by email in the around mid-August, or you can say August, first or second week of August. So this is the update. So why I am discussing all these things, it may be that we can get an update, or maybe the exam of Air Force may be scheduled in August month due to COVID, and this is my personal opinion that due to China issue also, because country and entire defense forces are on high alert. So maybe they'll take some time to schedule exam, and moreover this COVID-19 pandemic is going on. So my best wishes are with you. Keep watching and keep preparing well. I want you to be in the academy in this exam. Best wishes, get selected. Jai Hind.